Hello friends, in this video I gonna show you how to add Grammarly to iPad. So firstly open any web browser, then type Grammarly and visit grammarly.com official website. You need to sign up your Grammarly account using your Facebook or Gmail. Then click on apps. Once you successfully created your account with Grammarly, you will see this page, and here click on apps, scroll down, and here is the option Grammarly for iPad is here. Head to the App Store on your iPad and search for Grammarly to download today. So just you need to open App Store on your iPad, then you need to search Grammarly and download it, and you can use. So this is the easy and basic method to add Grammarly to your iPad. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.